Best infrared sauna for the money. Number 1. Sauna. Infrared sauna for the money. Sauna is built with high-quality natural Canadian hemlock wood. Our sauna walls are double-paneled with the thickest interior and exterior planks compared to other planks in the same industry. This all translates into a premium sauna that retains heat more efficiently, heats up faster, and wastes less energy. Configured with 1 reading lights, 1 colored lights, 2 loudspeakers. After a busy day, relax in the sauna at home, read a book, listen to music and more. Saunas can reduce weight, improve skin tone, relieve stiffness and joint pain, increase blood circulation, promote calmer sleep, reduce stress and improve overall energy levels.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Maze. Infrared sauna for the money. Our infrared sauna is equipped with heating tubes and mica carbon plates, which heat up faster and can generally finish preheating in 10 minutes. We recommend setting the preset temperature to about 45 to 50 C, which is ideal for the body. And it usually takes a total of 15 to 20 minutes to reach the ideal temperature in summer and 25 to 30 minutes in winter, including 10 minutes preheating. Breaking the boring sauna process. I guess you don't like sitting in a sauna for half an hour doing nothing, it's often torturous. But our infrared saunas come with a door handle to hold your phone or iPad, so before you start, connect the built-in Bluetooth speaker and turn on your music or video, then every moment of the sauna will be fun and enjoyable.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Blue Wave. Infrared sauna for the money. This gorgeous sauna is constructed with high-quality, solid wood Canadian hemlock. Its scratch-resistant, tempered glass door reveals a beautiful interior featuring 3 comfortable, wooden backrests. The ultimate escape, enjoy steady, comforting heat from 7 carbon heaters. The integrated, chromotherapy system is easily altered to suit your mood. And you can breathe easy, thanks to the included air purifier. Everything you need. Set the mood with a built-in stereo sound system including a CD player, radio and auxiliary connection for smartphones. This sauna also includes a towel and magazine rack and easy-to-use LED controls.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Smash. Infrared sauna for the money. Seller needs to confirm consignee's phone hash and address before scheduling shipment. Phone not working and unreachable will result in delivery pushback, even undeliverable. Carrier may fail to reach consignee and thus the experienced buyer would actively reach our carrier for final delivery appointment. This way you could get your item quicker. Kiln-dried premium hemlock wood. Model 904 VS 4-person inner space size for 1.5 to 1.9 meters, 4.9 to 6.3 feet, tall person, seat weight capacity 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, tempered glass door in 6 millimeters, vents on top ceiling, intent for outdoor use.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Caml. Infrared sauna for the money. Through the app or LCD control panel, you can set it remotely according to your needs. The current time and temperature are synced with the app and visible on the app. The operation is as simple as that. You can freely set the time and heat in the sauna without leaving the sauna room. Far infrared sauna, built-in 8 carbon crystal far infrared low EMF heating plates, 1600 watts power, 10 to 15 minutes quick preheat, max temperature up to 65 degrees Celsius / 149 degrees Fahrenheit, light touch control panel and LED display, easy to use, Bluetooth speaker and LED reading light.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.